It's April, and that means it's officially Stress Awareness Month. But let's be real, stress doesn't wait for a certain month to show up. It's knocking at our doors every single day through deadlines, family issues, health scares, and that never-ending to-do list. And if you're anything like me, there are days when you hold your breath more than you breathe. Hi, I'm Chaun Vaughn, Chief Inspiration Officer with Vaughn Media LGR Training Solutions. Let's talk stress. Each year, there are approximately 120,000 stress-related deaths. Here's the thing. I've learned that stress will always try to be a part of our lives, but we get to choose how we respond to it. That's where power and peace come in. This month, I'm inviting you to join me on a 27-day journey of many stress tips, bite-sized, powerful practices to help you breathe, release, and reset. Every day, my team and I will drop one short tip right here to help you take back your calm, mind, body, and spirit. For those of you who are ready to go just a little bit deeper, I'm launching a new on-demand course going live tomorrow entitled Breathe, Release, Reset, the calm within the chaos. It's just $28 and packed with simple, science-backed, and spiritually rooted tools to help you manage stress in real life, not just in theory. So follow us all month long. Share with a friend who could use a breather. And if you're ready to say goodbye to chronic stress and hello to clarity, check out the course and let's breathe, release, and reset together.